Now to tonight's top story, the Attorney General, Alan Ramlogan, says there's need to establish a medical complaints council in Trinidad and Tobago. Mr. Ramlogan made the suggestion after officially introducing a 3-member committee set up to investigate the death of baby Simeon Cottle. The Attorney General said such a committee was necessary because of the limited medical knowledge of those within the legal fraternity. Peter Christopher has more.
On Friday, a 3-member committee set up to investigate the death of Simeon Cottle was officially unveiled. The team comprises retired Court of Appeal Justice Mustafa Ibrahim, neonatal expert Dr. Petronella Manning, and consultant obstetrician and gynecologist attached to the University College London Hospitals, Dr. Melanie Claire Davies. But moments after the team was introduced to the media, the Attorney General admitted that many within the legal fraternity were limited in their ability to properly advise citizens on medical mishaps.
It may very well be that I would have to consider, through the Law Reform Commission, looking at the Medical Complaints Council in England to see if we can establish a similar Medical Complaints Council here in Trinidad to evaluate and assess claims of medical negligence made by aggrieved members of the public, so that a panel of independent medical experts can do so that we do not have the inequality of arms in the courts that we presently have.
He says because of this, it is highly likely that several cases where medical errors were made, there was little or no possibility of recourse for grieving families.
And the poor woman or father is left struggling to prove his case because he's not a doctor, the lawyer is not a doctor, and there is no doctor who is willing to step forward to vindicate their claim. So that is something I have raised, and it's something I intend to pursue, and I intend to perhaps speak to Dr. Davies a little further to see what the English experience has been in that regard.
With this in consideration, the Attorney General said he will consult with Dr. Davies concerning the British Medical Council in the hope that a similar body can be established here. He admitted that even if matters ended up in court, the Supreme Court judges themselves could only draw from the advice of others on the matter. This, too, the Attorney General said, underlies the need for the new council. He told reporters if he has to, he will take the idea to Parliament.
Even the courts, a judge is not a doctor, and a judge may himself be ill-suited for trying a medical negligence case. So the Medical Complaints Council is an idea whose time has come for Trinidad and Tobago. It is a matter I will have to have some stakeholder consultation on and speak to the doctors and the healthcare professionals. And of course, I will have to then treat the matter in Cabinet and, if necessary, take it to Parliament.
The committee officially began its investigation into the March 1st death of baby Simeon, who died after suffering a laceration to the head during a C-section conducted on his mother, Quelly Ann Cottle. Peter Christopher, C News.